Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. Today in this video, we will see what are the best Valorant agents for the map Breeze. Breeze received some major changes with the Episode 7 Act 2 update, slightly changing several parts of the map like mid and halls. Since Breeze is a large map, picking the efficient agents is the way to getting that victory. We will be considering every role while selecting the best agent for this map Breeze. For the role of duelist, Jet is a must pick for her aggressive utility like dash, updraft, and cloudburst. If you want to play two duelists, Reyna can be a great pick to support her team with her leer. For the role of initiators, Sova is a must pick for this map. Sova can drone and recon and shock dart and can clear tons of space with the drone and recon. For the role of controllers, you should go with Viper or Harbor to cut off long gunfights while entering the site. For the role of Sentinel, Cypher is a great pick since this is a large map and Cypher utility does not have a range limit unlike Killjoy. So these are the best Valorant agents for Breeze. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button icon to get updates for our latest videos. And drop a comment for more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.